Hello everyone, welcome back to another tips and tricks guide by Mr. 2D. And in this guide we'll discuss collaboration denied request and how to deal with it. Sometimes it might occur that you started to collab with someone on a post or a reel but they refuse to do it with you. And moving on forward after that in your account the post will look like this. There's a collab request tagged with no one to collab on it. To some of you it might sound like it's no big deal, just leave it be. But to some others like me it's quite embarrassing to see. It's like you raised your hand for a handshake but nobody is willing to shake it with you. So in this life hack I'll teach you how to properly remove a collab request from your post and other party account. The first step is to locate the post on your account. Then press on the three dots on top right. Click on Edit, Locate and click on Tag People. From there the first step is to press on X button to remove the other party. But simply that won't cut it, so you have to tag another person. Press on Tag Another Person. Locate someone else you like, but be careful not to tag the same person, otherwise the collab request will return. Once you tagged another party, press the tick icon and save the whole thing. By then the request badge under your post will leave, but not the same for the request you sent, so make sure to delete that directly from the other party's message. And with that you're all good. That was it for this life hack of mine. I hope it was to your satisfactory. So until next time, goodbye everyone.